Hey everyone, got a couple new cars in the collection. First up, the Audi RS5. This is by GT Spirit, so we have sealed resin. So, with Audi, the hierarchy is RS is the top performing level. So with this you would have the A5, the S5, and the RS5. And the 5 is kind of the coupe-ified version of the A4. So you could get this in obviously the two-door coupe we have here, and the Sportback, which is kind of a 4-door / 5-door with an opening hatch. Personally, I think the best looking Audi around is pretty much the RS5 Sportback. That's just my personal opinion. Not bad. I kind of been saying that quality control on GT Spirit's been a little lacking lately. There's a nice wad of glue. Not really thrilled with that. We don't have open mesh, which used to be kind of the standard for GT Spirit. Interior, from what you can make out, is pretty decent. It would be nice if the carpeting was flocked, but what can you do? Pretty nice car overall. This would have a twin turbo V6, 2.9 liters, a little under 450 horsepower, 444, some weird number like that if I can remember correctly. Car number 717 out of 999. This was had from Diecast Wholesale Models. I think they still have it. Use coupon code NEXT. Retail is, I think, like $129, and this was, I think, $70 after the coupon code. At that price, I'm not mad at it, even if we do have a glob of glue to deal with. Packaging has been now the typical GT Spirit black box with a little preview of the car. Nothing too exciting there. A little more interesting, fully opening diecast. Ooh, heavy boy. This is the last Lincoln Continental that they brought back around 2016, 2017. I have a rant about this car not being a particularly great luxury car, but I'll save you from that rant. But yeah, this is a Chinese dealership model, so it's not really by a particular brand per se. You can find these on Alibaba or eBay, where they want like $225 or so on eBay. You do have dog legs, but you do have carpeting in the trunk. You have a opening, I think it's an opening sunroof. The coolest thing about the Continental is I think the door handles are neat, the way they're kind of integrated into the chrome trim. It's nice detail. You could even get a suicide door version where, you know, the doors open and hinge from the opposite sides. That's what a suicide door is. They did that for the last year or two, like 2020, maybe 2021. They made a few of them, so that was kind of neat. Interior is pretty good. It's kind of like a simulated leather, reasonably convincing. I guess it's just nice at this point to have fully opening diecast. So I did not pay $230. I got this from a friend, and I paid a lot less. I don't know that this is worth $230. You know, you have dog legs and things like that. This would have a 3-liter twin turbo EcoBoost, 400 horsepower. It's front-wheel drive architecture. It's based on the Fusion. That's one of the reasons why I think it's kind of a lame luxury car that you can spend $70,000, $80,000 on. You can spend even more on the suicide door version. The grille, though, on this is very good. It's actually metal and open, so that's really neat. Paint's pretty good. Some of the Chinese dealership models, the paint is not great. The packaging, a little interesting in the fact that it comes with a wood base. Let's see if I can show you that. It's a little different. It's probably one of the reasons why they can justify the high price point. So yeah, you got a nice little plaque on there. It's not numbered. That would be nice, but you can't win them all. And then it's just a styro insert. Nothing really special about the packaging. Although I will say, I think GMP might have started this. The 3-part box with the little plastic clasp I don't know, I just think that's a really nice touch. It kind of zhuzhes up just your basic styrofoam experience. So I don't know, that's kind of neat. So yeah, that's it for this week. I'm working very hard on finishing the main collection display. I have the final shelf finished. I'm working on a trim panel, some improvements to the lighting setup. So a new annual review of the entire collection is coming soon. I think you guys will be happy. A lot of people complain the cars are mirror to mirror, and that's no longer the case. There's a pretty good spacing now, so I'm happy with how it's coming out. So maybe within 2 weeks, let me dust some cars, because that way I don't get a million complaints about nothing but dust. But coming soon, please keep an eye out. So that's it for this week. Everyone, please like and subscribe.